SneekyTuned trash. EQT shit.
PSI is the most that they'll do, which is that's like.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're here again, GTI in Mexico. There's a lot of people here, but we got some fast boys, and I just got word that if you guys remember my last video, okay, I made it this dude, my biggest fan, all the way from the cheese state, Wisconsin. My boy Chris Middleton is coming out, okay? He's coming out to race me. Just kidding, but okay, so last time he had a WRX, this time he has a C5 Corvette with heads cam intake and runs like a 9-second 60 to 130 in it, so that should be good. So he's driving like 3 hours, okay? I know he's like super hyped to run me. I'm totally kidding because I know he probably didn't just come to run me, but now these guys are the fast ones here, guys. Look at this. Boosted Stang, supercharged ISF, boosted Stang. These guys are way out of my league. What's up? Alright guys, change of plans. Man backed out because he said he was too scared to run the GTI again. Well, you know, that's all good, it's all good. We'll catch him next time, but guys, if you guys remember last year, I went out with Cheyenne and we actually got a good run in with this car right here. But now this man's fast as shit. Right here. Now he's fast. Apparently he did some other stuff. I'll have to ask him, but now he's back in action. He wanted to rerun it, so we're down. Should be interesting. Had him by a couple cars last time, so this time maybe neck and neck, maybe not. I might line up with this truck. Damn, look at this thing. Looking parachute. I need one of them.
We're not gonna leave for like 10 minutes.
I'll beat someone up. Alright, drive safe, sir. Alright guys, we're ready to rock and roll. I let Dave for dead. Ooh, that's bright. Alright. Yep. Fuck, man.
I should have taken more drinks.
No, you don't need enough. Fuck. It's SneekyTuned trash. I'm just kidding. Oh.
SneekyTuned's trash.
SneekyTuned's shit. Yeah, well you put it. EQT shit. Oh, kidding. Okay.
Who is this fucker?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I'm scared, bro. right, guys, so I made it back home. It was a crazy night, guys. So essentially I got to run that dude in the RT, and it was the same thing. I actually feel like I did better this time, but I got a couple good runs in. I also ran that black Civic. That was fast. I thought he was just like a regular an all motor car, but he ended up being freaking fast. And then we ran Subaru, was fast. Riley was fast again, so he was actually on E30 this time, so we're both on E30 tuned, so it was pretty close. If I didn't have David in the car, I feel like maybe I would have been a little ahead, but he started pulling top end, but he was having fuel cut issues, so I don't know if it's just too much ethanol or what, but it's probably just maxing out his fuel stuff. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you guys let me know what you think. If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.